Here's how you can delete recent tabs on an Android phone using, of course, the Google Chrome browser. So let's get started. If you're new here, subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. So you can go to the Google Chrome browser, of course, and when you tap on the More Tabs button, you can see that these are all the recently used ones, right? So you have either the ability to swipe them away one by one, or tap the three dots in at the top right and click on Close All Tabs, right? So that's the thing that you can most definitely do, and those recently used are going to be put away. Then you can see that we also have the inactive items, which are unused or duplicate tabs. And in here, I can see that these are the tabs which I used, but I didn't touch them for like 21 days. And they are still here. I can go back to them if I wanted to, but I can as well click on Close All, and it's going to remove everything outside of this. So, I'm going to have a clean, fresh start. What you can also do is to tap on the three dots and then delete browsing data in case you don't want any recent tabs or even mentions of the websites to be stored there. This is slightly a different thing, or a little bit of a different approach, but I guess that might be something you might be interested in as well. So I hope it makes sense. In case I didn't mention something important, like if I didn't answer your specific question about something, then let me know about it below in the comments. It's possible I'll make more videos about it, but for now that's it, and I'll see you later.